Planning to switch carriers but keep your number? This year, T-Mobile uses a number transfer pin, or also port out pin, as a high security golden ticket to authorize the move. And today we're going through the way to generate this 6-digit code so your number stays yours. Alright, and the fastest way to get your PIN is through the T-Life app. So you go T-Life on Google, or you can just use your corresponding app store and then just get it from here. Then open the app and tap the Manage tab at the bottom. Then, important, for security, you must be in the T-Mobile cellular network with Wi-Fi turned off. Tap the gear icon in the top right, select Permissions and Controls, and then tap Transfer PIN. Follow the identity verification prompts and your temporary 6-digit PIN will appear on the screen instantly. Then, if you prefer a desktop, just log into your account at T-Mobile. Then go to your profile settings and look for line settings. From there, you'll see an option to request transfer PIN. Just like the app, you'll need to verify your identity via a text code. And also pro tip, only the primary account holder can generate this PIN. If you're on a family plan and aren't the owner, you'll need them to do this for you. And also, if the transfer PIN button is grayed out, it's likely because you have port out protection or a SIM block enabled. This is a great security feature, but it will block your transfer. While still in the Permissions and Controls menu, make sure the toggle for Take Control or SIM Protection is turned off. Once that's disabled, you can generate your PIN immediately. And this year, T-Mobile transfer PINs are valid for 7 days. Don't request it until you're actually ready to start the port with your new carrier. And once you have it, give your new provider your T-Mobile account number, your billing zip code, and this 6-digit PIN. And do not cancel your T-Mobile service manually. The transfer process handles the cancellation for you. And this is how you unlock your number and move to a new carrier. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe.